Kuringana na murugamiriri wa wadi ya Goreale, Abdrahim Mohamed Idris, niugite mahiu ni makoretwo magumirwo muno ni ng'aragu, undu uria utigite maingi makuite. Mohamed nioritie thirikari nene gutuma uteithio wa naihenya niguo kuhonokia andu oro undu umwe na mahiu maria matigarite.
We are at the last stage of the drought currently, and currently where the pasture is and with the water point is even far apart. We are asking for the national government and the county government to bring us water boozers, fodders for hay and feedings of these animals, and equally meals for the people.
Mohamed nianyitetwo mbaru ni uria urari murugamiriri wa gicigo kiu Rashid Garane, uria ugite aikari makoretwo magithi gwetha mai na irio bururi wa Somali, uria gumirwo ni haro niguo kuguna mahiu mao.
Watu binafsi ndio iko hatarini. Kwa hivyo tunabenda serikali usaidie sisi.
Atongoria aya ni maugite uteithio wa naihenya ni urendekana, makiuga kwahota gukorwo kuri kuru makiria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.